Hello and welcome. I am your host, Cook of Soak. Today, I'm going to tackle a recipe from the Godzilla the Official Cookbook by Case Baker. The recipe we'll be looking at today is M Space Hunter Nebula Mousse. In a bowl, combine half a cup of vanilla coconut yogurt. The coconut yogurt I used has little flakes of coconut in there. So if you don't like having coconut flakes, you can either pick them out, strain them out, or make your own without the flakes and use extract instead. To this, I'm going to add half a cup of coconut cream. I found this coconut cream in the alcoholic section of the grocery store. There's no alcohol in it, but it's a nice mixer to any recipe you want to try. Next, I'm adding the zest of an entire lemon. If you like lemon flavor, you can always add more than one lemon. I'm trying to be good and stick to the book's guidance by just adding one lemon this time. Next is 2 tablespoons of yuzu juice. And finally, a pinch of turmeric. The turmeric isn't for flavor, just for coloring. So if you don't like the flavor, don't put it in. Stir and make sure it's all combined. This will be used for the basis of our whipped cream that we're about to make. In a very deep bowl, whip up 1 cup of very, very cold heavy cream and a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar until stiff peaks form. This whole process takes about 5 minutes. So if you don't want to stand there with your hand, you can always use a stand mixer instead. Be careful though, there's a lot of splatter from the cream. So make sure you keep an eye on all the droplets. Once we have our stiff peaks, we're going to fold it into our coconut yogurt mixture. Then spoon it onto our dessert cups, making sure it's somewhat flat on top. Next, we'll add 1 drop each of red and blue food coloring to each, and swirl it with either a toothpick or a chopstick to kind of create a nebula effect. Then we'll freeze it or refrigerate it for about 3 hours. Let's give this a try. The mousse is super soft, and it's totally delicious. All the citrus helps brighten and cut through the cream. Next time, I might add some more lemon and yuzu and make the nebula a bit bigger. I definitely recommend this recipe.